just take it slow. There's no need to rush things, no. Let's figure out a way. You know it's you and me. Don't care what I say. So please don't go away, don't leave. Without you, boy, I cannot breathe. Let's figure out a way. You know it's you and me. Don't care what I say. It brings me down to fall apart. Thinking about the day you leave, it breaks my heart. Don't leave me hanging, baby. Don't leave me hanging, baby. I will never win this game. I am lost, boy, I'm in vain. I will never be the same. 'Cause I am lost, boy, I'm in vain. You are so beautiful. I'm losing well without you I fall. Let's figure out a way. You know it's you and me. Don't care what others say. Brings me down to fall apart. Thinking about the day you leave, it breaks my heart. Don't leave me hanging, baby. Don't leave me hanging, baby. I will never win this game. I am lost, boy, I'm in vain. I will never be the same. 'Cause I am lost, boy, I'm in vain. I will never win this game. No. I am lost, boy, I'm in vain. I will never be the same. Cause I am lost, boy, I'm in vain.
Okay mga boss, mga ma'am, mga sir. Property vlogging tayo ngayon. Napakaganda ng settings. Very laid back, countryside. Yung mga naghahanap po dyan ng tahimik, countryside, laid back. This is a place for you. Yan. So yung opening shots natin, drone shots mga boss, mga ma'am, mga sir. Nakita niyo yung bundok na yan. That is a very iconic mountain. Opo. San Antonio, Zambales. So, nasa San Antonio, Zambales tayo. San Antonio, Zambales is 2.5 hours drive from Metro Manila. And then, ito pong lugar na to, nakita niyo access road natin, ano, that is about, I think, 5 or 4 meters wide po yan. Yan po yung palabas ng National Highway. Yung main thoroughfare dito will lead you to San Antonio, downtown, and then San Marcelino, up to Castillejos. And then after that, parallel road is the National Highway. So this place is about 5 or 10 minutes from National Highway. Yes, malinis ang ilog mga boss, mga ma'am, mga sir. Kapag naka-avail kayo ng property dito, meron kayong access dyan. Isa po yan sa inyong mga pribileyo. Meron kayong malinis na ilog. Well, hindi po ganyang kalakas yan all year round. Ano? Pagdating ng summer, meron pa naman yan. Malinis pa rin yan. Pwede nyong pagtampisawan. So, dito sa likod ng bundok na to, nandiyan po yung Anawangin. Yung sikat na tourist destination dito sa Zambales. And then, Itong lugar po nito, mga boss, mga ma'am, mga sir, actually San Antonio is a coastal town. Malapit po kayo sa mga beaches, no? So anytime na gusto niyo mag-beach, madali lang pumunta doon sa tabi ng mga beach, no? Marami din mga nagaganda mga resorts dyan. And San Antonio, I think, is already a first-class municipality, if I'm not mistaken. Marami na po mga business establishments dito. Since fourth town po ito from Olongapo, malapit lang kayo sa Olongapo. About 35 to 40 minutes. Alright? Nakita nyo, marami na pong nagpapagawa ng structures dito. So, yung ibang mga amenities po nito, ilalagay ko na lang po dyan sa description ng video, mga boss, mga ma'am, mga sir. Okay? Ganda ng lugar, no? Alright. Para kayong nasa New Zealand, di ba? Alright, mga boss. So, yung mga interesado po dyan na makita tong area na to at makakuha na kayo ng property nyo dito, nandyan ang aking number, contact details ko, nasa screen po. Nasa description din ng video na to. Text nyo ako, tawagan nyo ako, PM nyo ako, email nyo ako. Kung hindi ko kayo masagot upfront, I'll make sure within 24 hours, sasagutin ko po lahat ng inquiries ninyo. Okay? Para ma-connect ko na rin po kayo sa handler ng property na to. Alright? Medyo hinihingal ako kasi busog ako, mga boss. Again, maraming salamat sa inyo. Till the next video. Ciao!